And what happens if you create lots of phytoplankton is that you create a plankton bloom. And this is one example he's shown here in the Bering Sea. And this is a coccolithophore bloom. Okay, all seen in these green colors. Yeah? In terms of marine life, it can be a good thing, but it could also be a very bad thing. So it can be a good thing because it can stimulate the next trophic level of marine food chains, which is called zooplankton. Okay, they can feed on the plankton, on the phytoplankton. The bad thing what can happen is that this bloom can trigger lots of bacteria decomposing, so-called decomposer, to decompose this organic matter, and by doing that actually using up all the oxygen, the dissolved oxygen. It can create dead zones in the ocean. So this is always worth remembering that, plankton blooms can be good or can be bad. Okay, on the next slide, it shows you a red tide, a dinoflagellate bloom. Okay, in New Zealand can create these spectacular features, and some of these blooms, they can be toxic, or some of the species involved can be toxic. Not only because they can decimate the oxygen levels to very, very small levels, but also they can be toxic themselves to other species. So quite fascinating stuff.